Cheers to Sikihor!
Hi guys!
Landed to Dumaguete!
Hi guys! We're back!
Still waiting for our friends.
Wait, there's a Calesa. They're so nice. They're so nice. Guys, I'm so sad. Nakorap yung SD card and lahat ng vlogs namin.
Yung mga pictures lang.
Vlogs, pictures, and yung day 1 ng airport. Nawala. Hindi na na-retrieve kasi may bad din. Kasi parang na-anticipate ko na wala talaga. Life happens and then we have to move forward. Nakorap yung SD card kasi transfer kami ng transfer using the OTG. And then ayun. I was about to transfer my files sa phone ko. Namili na ako ng pictures and videos. After nun, hindi na ma-detect yung SD card. And then, sinalpa ko na rin siya sa G7X. So, hindi na mabasa yung card, yung SD card. So, yung mga pictures namin from day 1 to day 2. And then, vlogs ng day 1 and day 2, wala. Even yung pictures ng Kambogahay, wala. So, eto na lang gagawin namin. So, parang directly na lang. Mali ko din. Akin din yun. Parang masyado ako nag-rely dun sa adapter nila. Sana directly na lang sa camera. So, anyways. We are on our last day in Sikihor and let's make the most out of it na lang. I'll give you guys a room tour in a while. So, ayun. It's really a nice place. We got it like for 3 days, 2,900 each kami through booking.com. And then, right now, waiting na lang kami kay Abby. Kasi galing siya ng dive and then nag-lunch na daw siya. Nag-iimpaka lang kami right now. And then we will go to Bukafe and then Lambohan later. And Triad Resto. And not sure if may time pa kami to have dun sa sinasabi ni Kuya Paul na 360 view ng Sikihor. So, I'll bring you guys there. Hopefully, okay naman and then kaya pa. Kasi mag-check out na kami ng 1 p.m. So, yeah. I'll bring you guys later. So, this is our hotel in Sikihor. Meron kaming beachfront. This is in Villa Marmarin Resort. We got a family room with a seaside view. So, ito yung balcony niya. And then, ito yung harapan ng resort. Yeah. It's very nice. And we have a little swing over there and another swing. And then, this is the house. Yeah. Dito kami sa side na to. And we have a neighbor here. And this is Riel. Hi, Riel! Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. So, pasukin natin yung loob. Ito siya. You can put our slippers here and shoes. Tapos, ito yung medyo little balcony area. Kung saan pwede mag-chill. Ayan. And then, let's go to our bedroom. Dito kami nagsistay ni Bibi. Yan, medyo makalat. Yan, I'm done packing na rin naman. So, yan, and then ito yung parang may mini table without water and free water. Let's go to the CR naman. This one, yung toilet. And then this one is the shower area. We are about to leave na rin. So, medyo wala nang gamit dito. Tapos, ito yung shower area, which is you have hot water. So, ayun. So, quick story lang kagabi. Dalawang beses nag-brown out. So, nagulat kami. around siguro 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. Yung duration niya, putol-putol eh. Like, pagbalik namin ng hotel, brown out siya kasi we went to JJ's. Pero, after nun, bumalik naman din eventually. And then, habang natutulog kami, nalimpungatan ako. So, walang kuryente, walang aircon. So, brown out na naman. Around 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. yata yun. And then, it's pitch black. So, di naman ganun kainit. But, yeah, very island life. Then, let's go upstairs sa room nila. Ayan, may pa-lamp silang ganyan. Ito naman yung upstairs. Dito natutulog si Riri. And si Gigi. Hi, G. Ayan, very chill lang din yung second floor niya. We have a 2-bedroom here. Spacious naman. And then, ito yung view. Same with the view ng pinakita ko kanina. Yeah, that's it for our room tour. Hey guys, time check. It's 6:07 and we are on our way to Dumaguete. So this is our last trip in Spihor and sadly, wala akong masyadong na-vlog since the airport kasi nga naparap yung SD card. But still, it was a nice experience. Lesson learned na lang from our show you later when we get to Dumaguete.
So hi guys.
What's up guys? We're here at Dumaguete City and I'm Carlo Alberto with my best friend.
I'm Riel and we came from Quezon City.
And I came from Manila, but we first, before arriving here, we traveled in Siquijor.
So we stayed there for like 3 days.
3 days, just 3 days.
So now
It's
we
so
just
nice.
arrived here at Dumaguete. In Dumaguete. So we're gonna be staying here for like a night.
Yeah, sadly, just one night. And
we have our flight tomorrow at 11
a.m. in the morning.
So right now we're just walking around the boulevard to get some Sans Rival.
Yeah.
Silvanas.
Our friends are by San Tribal.
Yeah.
But I think later we can buy or in the morning.
Yeah, tomorrow in the morning.
Tomorrow in the morning. Okay.
Yeah.
It's so historic, it's so calm, and like the people are so nice and friendly.
They're very nice.
And they're very like obedient because as you can see while we're having a photos in the Dumaguete side.
They were quiet and just waiting for their turn.
They aren't pissed off or
they weren't forcing us to hurry, to rush.
Yeah, to step down and have their photos.
And I also noticed that cars are not
they're not honking.
They're not honking.
And they're respectful to us, to pedestrians. They are stopping once you're like crossing the road.
Yeah, it's like in Taiwan, right?
Yeah,
People
they're
are stopping.
Actually, I observe here in the province, here in Visayas, like drivers are like respectful and follow the traffic rules. They're just chill. Compared to Manila drivers,
they're very agitated,
reckless,
they're very
noisy, full of honk. Disrespectful
really
to
fast.
pedestrians.
So, and also here in Dumaguete, it's very walkable.
Yeah, like there's a
like the walkway. What do you call this?
like the boulevard,
like the walk,
the baywalk.
the sidewalk.
Okay, the sidewalk is
It's
so wide,
and
and it's nice.
it's
And
as wide as the road itself.
Yeah, as
so
well.
we can walk comfortably,
like
without
more than one, like 2 lanes for the pedestrian.
without overthinking that a car
We're
would
getting hit us.
Yeah,
And there's no motorcycles or like vendors on the
and people are very chill, right?
very chill,
They
very
mind their
calm.
own business.
I think like people are more civilized here
Yeah,
in
that's what I noticed too.
like the provinces here in Dumaguete
Right
City.
now, our friends are buying Silvanas at Sans Rival.
Yeah.
So we decided to take a look of the boulevard while they're ordering their Silvanas. So just to kill time, we're here roaming around to check the different establishments.
Yeah. And it's full of lights, like as you can see the streets are so lively, but no traffic, but the restaurants, the bars, the street lamps are all like aesthetically beautiful.
There's actually a amusement park. I think I can see a a Ferris
Oh,
wheel
yeah.
here.
Over there.
Yeah, there's
We'll try to check that out.
yeah, later. And we're planning to get our massage later.
Yeah, it's very cheap in here. Like compared to Manila, like the massage here is 350 and the
Yeah.
bottled water is like 20 pesos.
Yeah.
20 pesos for like 500 ml bottle. Yeah. So before walking here, we have a tricycle driver and we asked some things about
We talked to him
Dumaguete
and asked him
City.
about fun facts about Dumaguete.
Yeah.
And he told us that it's very safe here.
Yeah, it's very safe.
And
Like
there's really nothing to worry about when
Like-
staying in Dumaguete.
like
because
the locals will look after you, especially
Yeah.
to the tourists or foreigners themselves.
they are really respectful
They will take care of you.
to tourists like,
Like,
us.
They won't let harm reach you or touch you.
Yeah.
And as you can see, we're holding the camera and we're just walking here.
And no one's
fear.
looking at us.
No one's looking at us. Even if we just hold our
Like,
hands.
Yeah, even though we're just
They're so
even if we're
open-minded.
taking videos of ourselves. No
People are
one's
minding their
looking-
business.
Yeah, they're minding their own business.
And once you greet them, like they will smile and will
Back
greet
at
as well.
Yeah, there's no way.
They're so nice. Okay.
And guys, show them the
The streets. They have a chair for like this park.
And there are Bible verses in each chair like this.
Like they really
bench.
respect and like promote the
Yeah,
Bible,
show
the
that
worships.
one. What is that?
It's like a statue of like sailors.
Yeah, sailors.
Oh, I think it's like the Spanish.
Is that the Spanish?
Yeah,
When they arrived here.
when they arrive here in Dumaguete City. Okay, these are the Sisters of Saint Paul Charters.
Dumating ang mga unang kawani ng St. Paul of Chartres sa paanyaya ni Monsignor Frederick J. Rooker of Isco ng Haro, Iloilo. So, upang tumulong sa edukasyon ng mga youth here in Dumaguete, they arrived here in Negros in 1904.
Okay.
So imagine how many years since that time, right?
Yeah, they really preserve and hold up to their history.
Yeah.
Like as you can see, they promote it, they maintain it. Like there's like a story behind the brief history of the Sisters of Saint Paul
Yeah.
Charters. So
Show yourself.
okay. And as we walk in the sidewalk, like we're vlogging, right? People here respect our space. Like we're walking here, and the joggers like give us space for our
Yeah.
vlogging. And and also I noticed like there's some guys there, tourists as well, taking pictures, and people would stop and like they don't like disrespect the
Yeah.
space of others.
Hi guys, we're now at Buglas Cafe and we're gonna order before our flight. 9, so very chill lang now. Bago umalis.
Morning!
Morning!
What time is our flight?
10 a.m. Pero 9:55 yung need sa boarding.
8:30 na. We're having breakfast.
Brunch, to be exact. Hey guys!
Hello. Welcome to my house.
After na.
Gababoy, please.
Kababoy.
Welcome to Buglas Isla here in Dumaguete City.
Ba't nag-English?
English yung vlog.
English.
Here's our food. Hi guys. Brunch at Buglas Cafe. Yum yum yum.
Kunin mo ng ato, Bes. Itong longganisa.
Kain guys.